Hi everyone, this is Heather with Keep It Simple Social Media, and today I have finally received a notification from Facebook asking me to try the new look for Facebook. So I have gone ahead and I clicked try now, and this is the screen that pops up. Welcome to a fresh, simpler Facebook.com. Okay, so we're introducing a new look to Facebook. Turn on dark mode to give your eyes a break. I love that. I spend a lot of time on this screen. Catch up quickly with faster loading times. This is good for me as well. I thought it had a lot to do with my internet connection, but maybe Facebook can improve that as well. And find things easily with a cleaner look and bigger text. And of course, I am well over 40 and my eyes started going in my 40s, so bigger text is going to work for me as well. Let's click next together, okay? All right, choose a look. So now you can decide how Facebook looks to you. You can change this at any time in your settings. And of course, I will show you where the settings tab is. Do you want the light or do you want the dark? I'm going to go with the light, and then I'll check the dark out in my settings at another time. You can switch to classic Facebook at any time. Okay, perfect. So look at that, you guys. This is my personal profile. It's much bigger. I like the nice light look. Let's go into our settings tab. So let me tell you what all the tabs are. This is very similar to your smartphone look. Of course, would take me over to my personal profile, my wall, my private messenger. These are the 9 pages that I'm managing, and I have to tell you, it's probably like 30 or 40 that are in there. Marketplace is where we can sell things, of course, and these are shortcuts to my both business pages and groups I can see. The house, of course, is our home tab. Then we have the flag. Now, those are my pages. And I actually have a separate app for my business pages on my phone and in my settings. So we'll have a look at that. A lot of people don't know what that little TV set is, but that is live streaming on Facebook's streaming channel, which is called Watch. Facebook Watch, and I watch a lot of shows on there. I quite like it actually. And there's Marketplace once again, and over here these are groups, so it makes it easier for us to move around. And of course up here, these are the new rooms where you can have private meetings with people. I'm not going to say hi to any of my friends at this time. I'm going to take you up here to the top right hand side. Once again, this is the same that you're looking at over on the left hand, over here on the right. And private messages. Notifications are people that are interacting and engaging with the same content that I have or something to do with my post. And here is the drop down menu. And this is where we find our settings tab. It's same as it was before, but it looks different. Let's click the drop down menu and we can give feedback. There's our settings and our privacy. And here we can turn on the dark mode. And look at the difference between the dark and the light mode. I personally like the light mode myself, so I'm going to switch it back. And if you were uncomfortable with the new look of Facebook, you could switch back to the classic Facebook. But I think that you should get used to the new Facebook because this is probably what it's going to be in the end. So the sooner you get comfortable, the more easy it will be for you to make your way around Facebook. Now I'm going to look on my smartphone to see if there is any difference on my smartphone, but we know the look on Facebook did change on our smartphones a little while ago. And you know what? It's pretty much the same. I want to go into the privacy and settings. So there's our privacy checkup. This came up in late October, November, the privacy checkup, privacy shortcuts, our activity log, which is all the activity that we're doing on Facebook. We can change our language. And for a lot of you, I want to make sure if you're in Canada, make sure that your English is not UK English because some of their terms are different, and especially when it comes to real estate. And then your settings tabs once again takes you in here. It's just the same as the old look. It's just that there's new settings and new locations to find things. And the more time you spend in here, the more familiar you'll get, and it will just become easier for you to navigate your way around. So everyone, I hope that you're enjoying your new look, or that you have it. It's been talked about for a long time and it is finally here. Remember everyone, this is Heather, and keep it simple.